Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherries. Today I'm going to show you which documents you need to submit your beneficial ownership. So when you go to CIPC, you see BA compliant. You see that you are not compliant. So you log into your account. After logging to your account, you will see customer login. You do need to register to get this customer code. So you log into your account, and then after you will click transaction at the top, and right at the bottom you'll see beneficial ownership. So you do need to agree to their terms, and after you can click file there, and after you can edit if you declare it before, but if you didn't, just click new. After clicking new, you select if you're a natural person or juristic, and then you complete your natural person ownership information, and then under issue date it is your ID. Just check it at the back, you will find issue ID, and then here you select the interest type, and also when you add your address you can just copy for your physical one and click continue. The next step is uploading documents, but I will show you where to get the documents. Go to my website, and under my website you can click home, you can click speaking, and then you can click wealth. Under wealth you'll see that there's downloads at the top, so you will see these two documents that you will need to complete, then you sign. So it's securities and also mandate. So download mandate as well. You will see it looks like this. So you just add your information, and then after download, so this is what you're going to submit. So you click upload, and then you click you select the document type, which is the mandate, and you upload it. After uploading, you click save, and then you upload the second one. So you are going to submit 3 securities and also your ID. So let's submit securities. You select it, and after selecting it you will click save as well. So the next one that you're going to submit, it is a certified ID. So if maybe you are more than 2 directors, you do need to certify both, and also add your details for both of you as directors. And then when you're done, you will click save. The next step is you click continue. In the next step, you will get OTPs. These OTPs will be sent to your email and also to your SMS. So you see there where it has an X on where it's red, you will actually click there and it will show you. So this is the document that this is the SMS, OTP, and also email that you're going to get. So after entering those details, you'll see it is confirmed. So enter those OTPs in the space provided, and after you are done, so you can even download your document. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe.